The greatest wealth is health. As you all know that if we are healthy, then we are the wealthiest person of the world. And we will be healthy if all the organ systems are working properly. And we are on chapter human body, in which we are discussing about the different organ systems present in human body, whose normal functioning is very, very important for a human body to run smoothly. Today we will talk about one of such organ system, and the organ system we will talk about today is circulatory system. Circulatory system is an organ system that allows blood to circulate and transport different substances from one part of the body to other parts. Means it acts like a delivery van. Look at the diagram of human circulatory system. You can see the various parts of circulatory system. You can see that circulatory system consists of basically three main parts: heart, blood vessels, and blood. The heart is a muscular organ. It sits in the chest, means it is present in chest part, slightly to the left of center of the chest. It is a pumping organ which pumps blood through blood vessels of circulatory system. The pumped blood carries oxygen and nutrients to the body, while it carries back wastes from the body parts and transport the wastes to the body parts from where they are removed. There are two main types of blood vessels: arteries and veins. Arteries are blood vessels that carry oxygen rich blood from heart to body parts, whereas veins are the blood vessels that carry oxygen poor blood from body parts to heart. And we used to color arteries with red color and veins with blue color. Red color shows oxygen rich blood and blue color shows oxygen poor blood. In the diagram of heart also you have seen that it is colored with the help of red and blue color. The left part is colored red. It shows that this part of heart is filled with oxygen rich blood, and the right part is colored with blue color. This shows that the right side of the blood is filled with oxygen poor blood. And if we talk about veins, you can see your veins because they are present on the skin part. They are visible to us. You can see on your hands and your leg part especially that blue or purple color veins are there, and sometimes they appear to be bulging. But you cannot see arteries because they are present deep inside our body. But veins are superficial, they are present on the upper side of the body. Blood is the circulatory medium or transporting medium in human body. It is constantly circulating fluid, providing the body with nutrition, oxygen and waste removal. The color of the blood in human body is red because of the pigment hemoglobin. A normal person has about 5 to 6 liters of blood in his body. Heartbeat is the spontaneous and rhythmic contraction and relaxation of heart to pump out and recollect blood to and from the body. So it is a sound which is produced by heart due to pumping. You can also hear this sound by putting your ear on the slight left chest part of the other person and try to hear that sound of heart. You can hear the sound lub-dub. So that's why I have called a rhythmic sound, because it rhythms. It is in rhyming form, lub-dub, lub-dub. And at rest, a normal heartbeat is around 60 to 100 times per minute. It can change in activity level or change according to age, meditation and other factors. Heart rate is the number of times your heart beat in 1 minute. It is also called pulse. Pulse can be felt at neck part and wrist part. If you keep your index and middle finger of your hand on the inner wrist of your arm, just below the base of your thumb, you can feel the tapping or pulsing against your finger. A pulse can be felt till the person is alive. And stethoscope is the instrument which is used to listen to the sound produced by heart, lungs and intestine. It is used very commonly by doctors to measure the heartbeat rate. Besides this, heart rate monitors are also used to measure heartbeat. So for a healthy heart, you need to eat healthy, get active, stay at a healthy weight, avoid junk food and do regular exercises. So, to feel good from your head to feet, keep a healthy heartbeat. This is all for today's session. Tomorrow we will discuss about nervous system. Children, hope you enjoyed today's EVS session.